What's up, guys? My name is SILVIA, and I'm back with another video. First day of finals, gang. Looking like a hot snack today with my messy hair, a hoodie that I slept in, and actually I literally just woke up and decided to put on some socks and sandals, which my mom really hates, but it's cool anyways. So yeah, ready to ace these finals or what, my people? Let's get this bread for today. Hi! Alright, so we just finished our first final. How did that go? So good! Yay! I killed it!
Sad boy hour.
So yeah, we're about to kill the psych final, right you guys? Oh, do you want to
I forgot that we had another one.
Okay, so it's been a hot minute since I've been in a vlog, to be honest, and I wonder why that is. I kind of sort of feel like she's editing.
Guys, I'm the new Alana. I have taken over Sylvia's channel. Alana's no longer here. We're editing her out. Oh, look, she's crying right now. Oh, you have to edit that out.
Oh yeah, because I can't show.
You have to censor it every time she goes
Vicky,
in.
say hi to my vlog. Hi sisters. So we are guys back. Just got home. My psych final did not go as good as I was hoped for. Completely forgot to put like a whole packet of notes in my cheat sheet. So I'm starving. So I was just thinking, why not do a cooking with Sylvia? Because I've never done that before. And I can just make a quick and easy quesadilla. First, I know this terrible angles, but whatever, it's fine. First we gonna take out a pana. This tortilla one. And warm it up. So I hate fire, y'all. If you guys knew me, that's the only reason why I don't actually, no, that's not the only reason. I don't like to cook because I'm scared of fire, number one, and I'm scared of cutting myself with a knife, and I hate knives. So that's why I don't cook. So we're gonna let that heat up while I put away the dishes. Hopefully you guys can see me. If not, it's too bad. Yesterday, I really tried to make myself sound amazing, and I think I accomplished that. I really do. I truly believe I accomplished that. Sometimes I feel like the neighbors can hear me, but they know it's me, and they know I sing all the time, and I yell so loudly, and when I'm home alone, like after school, I just blast my music. Don't you ever remember that video of that little girl who's trying to sing this song, and then she like gets mad, and she's like, Cause she's not my total mood every time I sing this song. Okay, so usually I make it with the small tortillas, but we have so many of these big harina ones, and our family doesn't usually eat these, so I was like, you know what, why not just waste it on this? But obviously this is way too big. Also, look at my new socks. I got these from Secret Santa. Look how freaking cute and bomb they are. Aren't they cute? Hopefully you guys can see this. So I'm so ashamed to say that I've burnt tortillas. I burnt frijoles before, and I got a big whooping that day. I'm putting up water, man. Woo, that's hot. Oh my god, I burnt it. Oops. Okay. It's okay. It's okay, we're fine. See, oh my god, I literally hate burning. What if I'm burning it? Oh my god. I gotta turn it down. This is too high. Duh, you had it on the high setting. So, oh my god. I need one of these. Oh my god, you guys are seeing me fail. I'm making a freaking quesadilla. How do I flip it? No, it's not flipping. Oh, there you go. Oh my god, look how burnt my goodness. It's okay, whatever. We're gonna have a burnt quesadilla today. The one time I fail at making a not burnt quesadilla is on camera. Okay. Let's see how it came out. Yikes. Oh my god, my quesadilla fell! Oh, jeez. I believe I freaking spilled everywhere. Now I gotta clean this up. Made a freaking mess. Oh my god. Oh, now it smells like burnt tortillas. I freaking jinxed myself when I said I was a master chef. Gordon Ramsay would be so disappointed in me. Look how burnt it is, you guys. Like, this is not okay. I'm so disappointed in myself. How can I not know how to make quesadilla? Anyways, I'm gonna let that cool down. Now we'll wait. It's been more than 10 minutes because I've been watching James Charles, my queen, love him. So I'm gonna try it. Still smells like burnt tortilla, but there's not enough cheese. Yeah, that's not good. Because it's so freaking burnt on the other side. No. But whatever, I'm gonna finish it. You guys just totally hire me for any catering businesses. I'll be there. Yo, I got in trouble for burning a tortilla. They were so disappointed in me. And I left the house smelling like burnt tortilla. So thank you guys for watching this video. Go like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Oh my god, I almost forgot my outro.